Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at how to load a new ink roller on your Meto Expert M pricing gun. In this video I'm using the model 1426, but the process will be the same on any gun in the Expert M two-line range, including the 1222. So changing the ink roller is really simple. All you do is lift up this plastic case cover at the front, and that reveals the ink roller cartridge, which you'd simply slide off, pop to one side. So the Meto Expert takes either the new SM ink rollers, or it also works with the old Eagle price gun ink rollers. So I've got a pack of Meto Eagles here. You take your new ink roller out of the plastic, the foil case, and then simply slide it in with this prong bit at the front. Slide it into place, it clicks into place, close it over, and then the gun will be ready to use and should print the normal Meto standard from label number 1. All the Meto pricing guns are available to order from the Shop Stuff website, along with the ink rollers and pricing gun labels. I'll put the links to the relevant products in the description of this video. In the meantime, I hope this video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos, including showing you how to load the labels on your Meto Expert M series. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.